Hey guys, I have a fun double half hitch knot pattern for you today that creates a circular spiral design. I'm using 4mm single strand string. Find this string along with a number of other colors and sizes in my shop, which is linked in the description. Let's get started. For your setup, cut 4 pieces of 4mm string, each piece is 2 meters in length. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using Lark's head knots. If you are wanting to create this design to use for a plant hanger, attach your pieces of string to a ring instead of a dowel, either with Lark's head knots or by using a gathering knot method. Use the inside left cord as your filler cord throughout this design. Tie 4 diagonal double half hitch knots working to the right. Bring the filler cord around to the back of your work and continue to tie double half hitch knots on the left side of your work. Make sure there is no space in between the double half hitch knots that were tied on the right side of your work in the new row of double half hitch knots. The result is a spiral design. To replicate this design, leave 0.75 inches in between each round of double half hitch knots. This design is approximately an inch in diameter and 2.25 inches in length. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.